Hi, my name is Chris Bowers and I am with the Bowers team, and we are Arizona short sales specialists in Phoenix, Arizona. And just want to take a minute to talk with you about hardships and short sales. And you might hear from your bank or may have heard out there that you need to have a hardship in order to short sell your home. And yes, that is technically the case, and there's a lot of different types of hardships. Most of our clients that come into our office, we can usually find some type of hardship that they're having, whether or not you're just underwater on your home, and that's not sitting right with you and your family as far as your future, a job loss, a job transfer, kids needing to go to a different school district and you're needing to move, outgrowing your house, or maybe your house is too large and you need to downsize. So there's a lot of real different reasons for a hardship. I know when I'm talking with people, they typically just think that it's a job loss is the only reason that they could short sell their home. And there's really all kinds of hardships. So like I said, job transfer, need to change schools, relocating for your job, pay cut, any of those things that are just underwater on your home is really the most common hardship that we find in Arizona. So if any of those are situations that you're going through and you're thinking that you need help short selling your property, we are Arizona short sale specialists and we are happy to help you. What we would like to do is just set up a consultation with you where we can go over your situation and design a game plan around that, and really just show you how we've helped many families in Arizona close on their short sales. Our success rate is about an 85% success rate, so that's very good here for Arizona short sales. So reach out to us, or you can fill out the form on our website and we'll call you. We'll schedule an appointment, whether it's on the phone or in our office. So fill out a form or give us a call at 623-266-1939. Have a good day.